So this is actually a prototype of a pellet smoker that we're coming out with.
Nice.
We're building everything from the ground up. Everything's built here in this shop except for our electronics, which is actually built locally. That's one of our holdups. Is it's kind of hard to get electronics built in America, but we're doing our best, and it's coming along. Just taking a little longer than we would hope. But this will be releasing soon. We've obviously already used this one.
It's been put through its paces at this point.
Yeah,
right?
A lot of good lunches on this so far. So that'll be coming soon. And we also have an offset smoker based off this same platform that will be coming out actually before this, just because there's no electronics involved in it. So it's a little quicker to market.
Very cool. Very cool.
So that's
and
coming
this is
very
all
soon.
made here in-house.
All made here in-house. The pellet smoker will be 100% stainless steel.
Okay.
This is a small pack up and go type of grill.
Okay.
So this is showing the propane setup in it. And then this is one we cook on all the time.
Oh, so it's like a modular style, so you can use both.
Yeah, so you can use
different types of fuels.
Wood, coal, or like lump charcoal, briquettes, or the propane.
Very cool.
And we cook lunch on this most every day. I've actually even cooked, that's what this is on there for. I cooked pizza on it.
Very nice. So it creates like a little oven with the top part.
Right.
Very cool. So I'm seeing a lot of kind of like little slides and looks like hinge points. So is this a collapsible unit as well?
Yeah, so everything folds up into the chimney, including the propane kit will actually fit inside this chimney.
Oh, very cool.
And then this chimney just folds down, the lid goes on, and it is
so it's just a nice little box.
It also, you can fit this in there. All of this stuff that's sitting right here will fit in this chimney once it's folded up. So it's pretty, it's not light. It's 26 pounds, but it fits in your trunk, behind the seat of your truck.
That's perfect.
It's pretty handy deal.
Very cool.
And it's kind of like a cross between a hibachi type thing and a rocket stove. Okay. So you put wood in there vertically up here, and this thing will just rip. And in about 15 minutes, all that wood is just hot coals. So you cook over the hot coals.
And then you just bring it into the cook area?
Yeah, the grate will actually tilt out of the way if you didn't have the propane kit in here, and you'll just pull your ashes or your coals out there and cook. That way you don't have the big flare-ups, and you can control temperature that way rather than just have a flame right underneath.
Very nice.
But it takes some getting used to, cooking over wood over like a propane or something like that, but it's way more fun and tastes so much better.
Tastes so much. I would agree with that. I'm a big fan of the campfire cooking.
So this is our Ember XL. That's the Ember.
Okay.
This is our Ember XL. So this is just 3 times as big, basically. So you have the same chimney. This one also folds down.
Nice.
So that's the same kind of, although this doesn't pack up quite as tight, and it's 100 pounds. Again, all stainless, but you just got a lot more cooking surface. So like that one's good for probably up to 4 people.
Okay.
This one you can do, a whole party type deal. And you can move all of these independent, so you can control temperature that way. You can have, we have griddles, so a solid plate for this. Or and then you can have one griddle down here and one up here for different temperatures. And so it's pretty modular. Same way though, you just rake the coals from the chimney area right over underneath. And obviously we use this one already. We can't.
I love the, it's simple, but it's cool.
Yeah.
Nice little logo, easy. You just go in and just pull your coals around.
We use all these products pretty much every day. This one's a little bit big for what we're doing, but we cook on that most every day. We've been smoking.
Is this for propane option?
No, this is actually
like
these drawers or these things come off. There's already one in there.
Those are vent holes.
So you actually put this inside there.
Gotcha. Just reducing weight.
Well, just packing it up tighter. So, and it actually had this. Here's it with legs. Cool. So the legs are designed to actually fit inside of here. Okay. These 2 tables will pack inside of this here, and then you flip this down, and that again slides in your truck. And showing basically you can take that and set it on a table, or you can set it up independently on its own legs. But that's all fits inside of itself.
I love the modular design that you guys have come up with. That's really handy. It gives people options, and they can use it in any kind of scenario that they want it to.
Right. And like I said, it's not light. It's 14 gauge, and this is double walled 14 gauge. So we're pushing 100 pounds on this thing. So you're not strapping it to your back going up back country. But
I'm taking that for a hike, man.
But yeah, you can definitely throw it in the back of the pickup and take it along if you were going to have an extended weekend or something. If you're just doing for a day or something like that, the small Ember is perfect.
Probably good. Right.
Take it fishing. You can cook the fish right there on the bank.
Typically, when you're outdoors, you can find some wood laying around.
Yeah, well, and actually, that's an interesting story. We originally built it for the wood, and people at the shows were asking, like, can you burn propane in this? And we're like, why would you want to burn propane?
Right.
Well, being from Pennsylvania, we didn't realize, or didn't think about it, I guess. Not everybody can walk outside and pick up a stick.
Exactly.
And go into the woods and get. I mean, we have abundance of wood when you go camping and stuff. And the other reason is the burn bans. We don't typically have burn bans.
That's what I was gonna say. Out west, there's so many burn bans.
So the propane kind of fills that that hole there for you.
Yeah.
But
and since it's off the ground and everything, that's completely legal in the burn ban states.
Yep.
So that works out perfect.
So the nice thing is you can go out west and use propane. You come east camping, you can go find wood, or you can bring a bag of lump charcoal or something like that.
Burn some wet wood.